Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to extract text out of any image. Alright, so for this, we will be using Azure, and in Azure particularly, we'll be using Computer Vision API. And what does it mean, like extracting the text out of an image? I'll just show you. So for example, I have created this dummy image where you see a lot of text is there. So for example, you want to create a something like some API which will extract the text out of it, and then you will use for some particular business. So to do this, we will be using Azure Computer Vision API. So if you don't have a Azure account, you can create. It's completely free, and I'll just show you quickly like how you can create it. So you fill this form. Once the form is done, then second step, just put your phone number, and the second step is like credit card or debit card, and that's it. And it's completely free for 1 year. And then I'll show you the Computer Vision API pricing also. So you can see, at least for your learning, it's complete free. So 20 per minute transaction you can do. That means you can execute the API 20 times per minute, and 5,000 times in a month. So it's quite a good amount, like you can for your learning. All right, and once you are done, what you can do, just go to this portal.azure. There you simply click on this create resource, search for computer vision. That's the one which I'm talking about. The plan, it's the same what I showed you on the pricing page. So since it's a different account, I am just trying to show you like how you will be creating. So I have already created. So if you want to create it, you just click on this start free, and that's it. Once that is done, you will be getting two things: API subscription key and the URL of that API. All right, so let's close this one. I'll go back to this image. So what I have created as Jupyter notebook, and that I'll be trying to connect to the computer vision API, and trying to pass this API, and you will be able to see this how I am able to extract the text out of it. All right, so let's see. So in this, what I'm doing, just I've set this subscription key and the URL in my environment very well. You can also do that. I'll show you how you will be doing. So for example, if you want to create a new variable, what you can do simply, I'll just show you. Let's say in your case, you want to create one more, not one more, since I have said it, you will also pretty much will do the same. Let's say some key and put some value. So this is done. Now if you try to access this, you can see it's printing. Okay, so this is the way you can just save this computer vision subscription key and the endpoint, which is the URL which I was talking about it. Okay, once that is done, what you need to do, you need to call this underlying URL vision slash. So they are having many APIs in this computer vision. So we today in this video will be dealing with only basically with respect to OCR. All right. So image I have already showed you. So there are two ways you can extract the text. One is like you can upload the image and extract it, or maybe you can pass the URL. I'll show you both of them. So for example, it's just a simple static post call. So what you need to do, you just need to say I pass the respective header. In that header, you need to pass the key, and then just say detection, orientation, and all that stuff, and pass the URL of that image. It's the same URL which I am showing over the this tab. And once you pass it, you will be getting this. Let me run it from the beginning. All right, so let me pass this one also. Once it's executed, now let me see what it's printing. You can see it's able to print this. Let me format this one for you. So you can see it's able to extract the text out of image, and it's in from top to bottom. So you can see infinite demo, then Python MSOCR, and then this Python MSOCR email ID. I'll just go back and see. This is the way it's then online POC, which is over here, then this phone number, which you can see over here, then infinite demo and the YouTube. So you can see like how I was able to extract the text out of this this image using the computer vision API of Microsoft Azure. All right, one more thing, like so for example, if you want to print only just the text, so what you can do, you can just parse from the top to the bottom and just print all the text if you don't want the coordinate. So for example, if you go back to the Jupyter notebook over here, so it's the same JSON, and what you need to do, you just need to iterate through all the lines. So first, what I'm doing, iterating through all the lines and the reasons. If I go back to the JSON, you see it has reasons, and each reason is having its reason is having all the lines. So from the reason, I'm iterating all the lines, and then I got this each inside items, so like bounding box in the text, which is nothing but this part. And then once you are done with that, you will be, again you need to format. So what you need to do is just the word part of it. Word means the inside JSON, and then you will be getting this JSON. So for example, like, so if you keep parsing, and then what you will be getting, you will be getting this text. And what if you want to print all the text, what you do is just look through the from the top to bottom and separate by space, and wherever you are seeing this next line, it has to be done before itself, and then you put this new line character, and that way you can just print only just the text. All right, that's pretty much about this video. And one more thing I want to show here is, if you want to like upload the image from a disk, you just need to do a small change. And instead of passing the URL, you just need to say you need to open that image in a read binary mode. And once you do that, you just pass the content type, which is important, because in case of the URL, you are not passing this content type, but since you are uploading the binary stream, you just need to say it's a stream type. And that's it. That's all about this video. Thank you very much.